So welcome to Chhabra Housing. Today we are here to check out one of the luxurious property at Bandra location, which is called as an 10 BKC, which is developed by Adani Realties. So this is a sample model of this property, whereas if I speak about the land parcel would be 5 acres of land parcel. If you see the entry and exit gate, you get a proper wide entry and exit gate, as well as if I speak about the amenities part, there are in total 3 acres of open space in this property, and this property is developed into 3 zones, like zone A, zone B and zone C, whereas zone A and C will be containing 22-story tower. Also zone B would be 29 stories. There are 5 basement levels for a car park, proper surface car parks. The configuration of these properties are 3 and 4 BHK apartments, whereas the carpet size of this apartment would be starting from 976 ending up to 2400 square feet. The connectivity of this property is really very good because it's located in Bandra. So if you want to travel towards South Mumbai, West End or Central, you can get easily access anywhere. So this is a sample plot of this property, whereas if I speak about the carpet area of this flat is 1078 square feet, which is a RERA carpet area. So this is a layout of this flat. And let's check out the dimensions inside the flat. So as soon as we enter the property, this is a proper foyer area over here, as well as on your right hand side, once you enter your flat, on your right hand side there is a dining area. Here comes the proper living area with an attached deck over here. In the deck area, as you can find, this is a fully fixed window. So you'll be getting a proper sliding window as well as a proper safety glass. Here comes one of the master bedroom, which is also as it is a guest bedroom. So this is your washroom area. So this is a proper bedroom for the guest, as well as if you can see the proper sliding window as well as the safety glass would be provided. So if you see over here, this is a kitchen area where you get a parallel platform with the sink on your left hand side and the gas stove on your right hand side. Also you get a utility area over here. So you get a proper utility space. So this is a proper bedroom area which is called as a study room, where you can also set up your working station. After the bedroom, you get a common washroom area over here with a proper shower. So this would be the main master bedroom of your flat, whereas on your entrance, on your left hand side, there would be a proper washroom area. And you can set your walk-in wardrobe over here. Here comes the proper bedroom area with again full French windows with an half safety glass. Let's check out the clubhouse of this property, whereas this clubhouse contains some amenities inside it. So if you see on your right hand side, there would be a proper banquet area. So This is in squash court, whereas you are getting two different squash court areas, as well as if you want to have a look. So there are 40 plus amenities in this property. One of the amenities, if I speak, there is a proper swimming area over here. So thank you for watching our video today, and please click on the link below for more information regarding our video. Also do remember to like, share, subscribe.